If you have any physical ailments, such as arthritis, aching and stiff joints, muscle spasms, even exercise soreness, I've put together a pain relief kit that I know you're going to love because clients are giving me such wonderful reports. It includes three wonderful products. The CBD milk. Now the cannabinoids go directly into the muscle fiber to reduce pain almost immediately. You're going to love it. Now, the CBD milk I've been sharing with my skincare clients too. So I want you to know it's great for reducing eczema and psoriasis, as well as rosacea, the redness that you get on your cheeks, as well as periodic pimples. Clients have come back and said for rashes and bruises, it automatically helps, and I've tried it on bug bites, so it's really wonderful for that. Included in the kit are our fire and ice brother and sister. The muscle mender, which we've been sharing in our line for about 5 years now, is hot. It's fire, deep penetrating into the muscle fibers, as everything in our youth duo. Everything is vegan, organic, and paraben-free, so it's clean to your skin. You're not putting any toxicities in it. So the sister of the muscle mender, you'll notice it's blue. It's called Arnica Nice, and it's cooling. So it reduces swelling and inflammation. So the combination of the three for any kind of muscle pain, there's nothing like it. You're going to love it. Plus, you get the added benefit of the CBD milk for any skin inflammation too. So give it a try. I know you're going to love it because we're getting such great feedback that it's really helping people reduce all sorts of physical pain.